Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to delete your CV that you have already uploaded to your BestJobs account. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Now click on your profile icon. Scroll down to the attachments section. Now as you can see, one element has been uploaded to your profile account. So if you would like to delete it, all you have to do is clicking on it and swiping left on the screen, thereby deleting this attachment. As you can see, this field is incomplete, so if you would like to update it, you can, and upload a new one, you can tap on it and upload a new item to this section. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.